Skip filling in your credit card info every time you check out. With PayPal, trust the way you pay.
Why should you use Miro?
When you draw on a whiteboard, no one sees it. With Miro, you plan together in real time from literally everywhere.
Curious yet? Have you been streaming Curious? I'm not bored. I'm just going through work. I want you guys to make your videos and send to me. Dance into Curious. I'm still trying to complete mine to make it post worthy. How you broke your nail? I was playing with my dog, tug and war, and the rope. My fingernail got twined up in the rope and it busted it. Like, look, you see the blood shot right there? Crazy. Curious and replay, as it should. As it should be. I'm getting ready for my second performance on Coachella. I'm going to make the videographers try to get better angles when I'm performing, because I think they missed a lot of the choreo points while I was dancing on stage, especially to Curious. Like, we have to get that shot for Curious because I put a lot out into dancing. I look like I'm tired of everything. I am tired today. I'm really tired today. Yes, I'm performing Curious at Coachella again. Actually, I'm performing Curious everywhere, on every show that I have. So, every show that's upcoming, I'm doing Curious. I am coming to St. Lucia. St. Lucia is on my calendar. Just sending me Barbados Carnival this year? No, I'm not doing any carnival this year. I have too much work to focus on. Boston. I'm really trying not to do a lot of US shows right now because I want to put a tour together. So right now I'm just getting the Caribbean islands sorted out first, like completing the shows I have for the Caribbean, and then I'm gonna do my US tour. I'm trying to drop another song. Before that. What type of vibe do you guys want for my next song? I've been working on so many songs, and I have a lot of songs. Like, I can even drop 3 next time I release. Really love how you are getting good at dancing. Thank you. If you know me from day one, you know I could not even move a limb. But I'm determined to be labeled as a dancer as well, so I'm working. Songs like Side Chicken Rebel. Songs like that to me, just I don't sing about the same thing twice. So I'm not gonna do a song like Rebel and Good Comfort. They're like one of one. Singing anthem one of one. When I do anthems, they're one of one. That's why they feel so timeless. They can't get old. So I'm not gonna make the same song twice. I try not to do that. Let's do an Afrobeat dancehall. Maybe I do an Afrobeat dancehall song. We want the dancehall Shenseea to come back. Trouble. Oh no. I want to represent for my country, not only in just one genre. I don't want to represent for my country just doing one genre when I can do a lot. You guys just gonna have to understand that. If you don't understand that, then I guess you're just gonna have to find a whole new dancehall artist to just support, because I'm not just gonna do just dancehall anymore. I have so much to offer that you guys don't even know, so you're just gonna have to let me be the artist that I am, because commenting that you want old Shenseea back is just not gonna work. It's not gonna work, guys. It's not gonna work. I want to do music. How do you feel about the rise of Afrobeat? I love it. I love it. I love Afrobeat. What I love to see too from African artists is just that you guys just know how to dance. Like, I want to do some of that. How do y'all do that? It's like y'all were born with beat in your bones. Do you, whatever feels right, you'll be great in whatever you do. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Like, honestly, like, I'm doing whatever music I want to do right now. I don't even care, like, to show you, like, I don't even care who support me from who don't support me anymore. Like, I want to do what I want to do. Who will support me will support me. Who won't just won't. And that's fine. That's absolutely fine with me. Like, if it wasn't fine, I would be giving you guys what a lot of you guys have been asking for a long time. Like, I don't even care. I have so much shit that you don't even know that I could, you know, do. And in time, you will see, you will understand why I'm doing what I'm doing. You guys probably won't see the vision now, but that's why it's called a vision. Not everybody can see it, but it's there. I actually have an Afro dancehall song. Afro-inspired dancehall song. And who do you want me to collab with? You work for that freedom. Yes. I work hard for the freedom. What? What are you talking about? over the years, I've been giving you guys bangers so I can finally do what I want to do. But at the time, I wanted to do what I've been doing. It's just that now it's like my mind is just different now. It's like, it's not thinking the same anymore. I think that's age. Age and experience and knowledge. Age, experience, and knowledge. I've been learning a lot more, and it has contributed to me having the mindset that I have now. Well, we'll see. We'll see who I collab with. I'm not really chasing collabs, but I'm very open. But I'm so focused on finding the right